Hello everybody! Welcome to a new video in Hands-On. How are you today? Are you ready for our craft? I'm sure you are. What we are going to do today, it's a beautiful idea for giving as a present to any friend or family. It's something that you can put on a frame or you can make a card with it. And it's a very, very personal present. And what do you need to make this present today? It's very simple, very easy. You just need a paper, pencil and rubber, and markers. That's all. I'm sure everybody have these materials at home. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is to think about the name of the person that you want to give the present to. I'm gonna do it for my friend Anna. So the first thing you have to do is to write the name on the paper, big and nice. Let's write the name of my friend with pencil, without lots of pressure, very soft. Now that we have the name, it's time to put some color on it. We need some very, very light colors, like this. For Anna, I choose this yellow-green color. And now we have to trace the name on the pencil. Now it's time to trace it with the marker. Remember to use a light color and make a thick line. Now you can wrap the pencil that you can see. Well, we have our big and beautiful name, but what's next? Okay, now it's time to think, because you have to think about adjectives about that person. An adjective is a word that describes a person physically or the personality. What I want to put in my present is the personality of Anna. So I have to think about adjectives about her personality. For example, Anna is nice, she's tender, she's hopeful, friendly, sweet, kind, and she's honest. So those are the words that I'm gonna put on her name. Now you can use darker colors. And we are going to write those words vertically on her name or horizontally. Look how I do it. And now is when we write the words with darker colors, but not very dark, all of them happy and nice colors. I'm gonna start with the longest word, that is friendly or hopeful, and I'm gonna put it just in the center of the name. Let's go with hopeful. I'm gonna write hopeful just here. and I can make different types of letters. And I got it here. You can make them big or you can make them small as you want. Just enjoy it and give a beautiful present to any of your friends. Do you think Anna is gonna like my present? I hope it does. Now, how is yours? I'm gonna show you some other that I made for other friends. And now please take a picture of your work and send it to my Instagram account and you can see them in my next videos. Now give me a like and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you everybody. Bye bye. I love you.